Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a book about personal finance written by Robert Kiyosaki. It compares the financial philosophies of two men, his poor dad, who was his real father, a man who died with bills to pay, and his rich dad, his best friend's father, who created a significant amount of wealth. The book emphasizes the importance of financial education, financial independence, and building wealth through investments. Difference in mindset. Kiyosaki explains that his rich dad and poor dad had completely different mindsets. His poor dad believed in traditional education and working for a secure job with benefits, while his rich dad emphasized learning about money and investing, asserting that one must work to learn, not to earn. For example, if you have a stable job with a steady paycheck, you may feel secure, but you may also limit your opportunities for wealth creation, poor dad's mindset. Instead, consider focusing on acquiring assets and learning how to make money work for you rather than working for money, rich dad's mindset. Assets versus liabilities. One of the central themes in the book is the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki defines an asset as something that puts money in your pocket, such as investment properties, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, etc. In contrast, a liability takes money out of your pocket. This can be things like your car, your house, if it's not generating income, and consumer debt. For instance, buying an expensive car on loan might give you status, but it's a liability because it takes money out of your pocket every month. Instead, investing in a rental property can be an asset because it can provide you with a regular income. Importance of financial education. Kiyosaki stresses that financial education is crucial. He criticizes the conventional education system for not teaching people about money. For him, understanding money, how to make it, manage it, invest it, and let it work for you, is vital. To put this into action, consider reading financial books, attending financial seminars, and seeking financial advice from knowledgeable individuals. This can equip you with the skills to identify good investment opportunities and understand the risks involved. Pay yourself first. One of the key lessons from the book is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before paying your bills. It encourages financial discipline and forces you to manage your spending. As a practical step, you could automate a monthly transfer from your paycheck to a separate savings or investment account. This ensures that a portion of your income consistently goes towards building your wealth. Work to learn, don't work for money. Kiyosaki suggests that people should work to learn, not just to earn. He advises taking up jobs that can teach you valuable skills, not necessarily those that offer the highest paycheck. For instance, you might take a lower-paying job in a startup to learn entrepreneurship skills instead of a high-paying job in a more stable industry. The skills and experiences gained could be invaluable in the long run. Conclusion. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is not just about money. It's about how we think and what we believe about money. By shifting our mindset, understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, emphasizing financial education, paying ourselves first, and working to learn, we can take control of our financial future and aim for financial independence. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more content.